Today is Sunday, April 8th. The time is 11 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011-2012 Panini Certified Hockey Break, break number 19. This break is sponsored by DCS Sports Cards. www.dcsportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. Canadians, Max Pacioretty. Blues, David Backes. Canucks, Alexandre Burrows. Jets, Andrew Ladd. Jersey for the Canucks, Henrik Sedin. Serial number 35 out of 99. Panthers, David Booth. Coyotes, Shane Down. Canadians, Brian Giunta. Flames, Rene Bourque. Autograph for the Rangers, Derek Stepan, serial number 59 out of 99. Stars, Lou Erickson. Flames, Curtis Glencross. Blackhawks, Corey Crawford. Bruins, Milan Lucic. Master Marvels, Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Blackhawks, Marian Hossa. Sabres, Drew Stafford. Flyers, Sergei Bravansky. Kings, Drew Doughty. Islanders autograph, freshman signatures, Mikko Koskinen. Blues, Jaroslav Halak. Lightning, Dwayne Ralston. Maple Leafs, James Reimer. Avalanche, Paul Stastny. Kings Mirror, Mike Richards, serial number 59 out of 199. Canucks, Henrik Sedin. Flyers, James Van Riemsdyk. Maple Leafs, Joffrey Lupul. Stars, Jamie Benn. Islanders, Kyle Akaposo. Canadians, PK Subban. Canadians, Michael Cammarelli. Rangers, Brandon Dubinsky. Sharks, Joe Pavelski. Canucks Mirror, Alexandre Burrows, serial number 18 out of 99. Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg. Oilers, Ryan Smith. Flames, Mika Kaprizov. Devils, Martin Brodeur. Coyotes, Keith Yandel. Fabric of the Game, Prime Patch. Flames, Jerome Ignola, serial number 9 out of 25. Senators, Jason Spiza. Rangers, Henrik Ludacris. Sharks, Joe Thornton. Kings, Anze Kopitar. Certified Potential, Marcus Kruger, Blackhawks. Sharks, Logan Kuchar. And the last pack. Jets, Nick Amperov. Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. Red Wings, Nicholas Lindstrom. Maple Leafs, Michael Grabansky. Fabric of the Game, Jersey, Canadians, PK Subban, serial number 219 out of 399. And the last card, Devils, Ilya Kovalchuk. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Currently listed for 2011-12 hockey box breaks, I have Panini Crown Royale and Panini Limited. I will try to list another Panini Certified hockey break tonight. If anyone's interested in baseball, for 2012, I have the brand new Topps Museum. For football box breaks, 2011 Topps Supreme, Panini Crown Royale, Panini Limited, Panini Gold Standard, Topps Triple Threads, and the new Panini Totally Certified. And I will be listing tonight a Panini Prime Signatures. For 2010 football, I have Panini Crown Royale.